Commodity trading, particularly in natural gas, has long been perceived as complicated, risky, and incredibly time-consuming. It requires constant vigilance, deep market expertise, and lightning-fast decisions. But what if you could leave all that to intelligent automation? Introducing TeonGas, your AI-driven trading assistant tailored specifically for the natural gas market, with a special focus on Ireland's rapidly evolving energy sector. As Ireland pushes forward in adopting smarter, greener energy solutions, TeonGas empowers you to stay ahead of the curve by continuously analyzing real-time market data, pinpointing trading opportunities, and executing transactions automatically, eliminating the guesswork and stress. Exclusive offer. Be among the first in Ireland to experience AI-powered commodity trading. Sign up now by clicking the link below. Enter your email and gain early access to TeonGas, including a personalized onboarding session to guide you step by step, an exclusive welcome bonus to jumpstart your trading full platform access ahead of the public launch. No software downloads or complicated setups are needed. TeonGas is completely cloud-based and accessible anytime, anywhere, from your phone, tablet, or desktop. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps in commodity trading or an experienced trader seeking advanced features, TeonGas offers a user-friendly yet highly customizable platform to suit your needs. TeonGas leverages live data from global commodity markets as well as key local sources, including the Irish Energy Exchange, to make smart, informed trading decisions. By applying cutting-edge AI strategies, it expertly balances risk and maximizes returns without the need for you to constantly monitor charts or market fluctuations. No professional trading experience is necessary. TeonGas manages everything for you, from identifying optimal entry points to executing trades and adapting dynamically to shifting market conditions. Whether you're building a natural gas portfolio or expanding into broader European energy markets, TeonGas offers seamless integration and intelligent automation from day one. Ready to transform your trading? Click the link in the description, enter your email, and unlock early access to the powerful TeonGas platform. A full onboarding walkthrough to ensure a smooth start. An exclusive welcome bonus reserved for new users. No hype, no distractions, just smart, AI-powered trading designed for the future of energy, uniquely tailored to Ireland's growing market. Don't miss out! Click the link now and secure your spot. Smarter tools, smarter trades. TeonGas, AI working for your energy portfolio.